Welcome to this Expert Moldbase Extension 12 What's New video. In this video I would like to show you how you can use the Creo mini toolbar with Expert Moldbase Extension components. The Creo mini toolbar is a handy feature to reduce clicks and save time during your Moldbase design. With EMX 12, the component handling functionalities are now available in the mini toolbar. When selecting a point in the graphics window, the mini toolbar appears. In the top line you will see all EMX component icons. Select the screw to define a new screw on the selected point. You are now automatically asked to select the missing assembly references, the first placement surface and the thread surface. Finish the definition of the screw by selecting the correct instance in the nominal dimensions table. The screw model and the cutouts are added to the Moldbase. When selecting the screw in the graphics window, you will now see the Modify, Remove, As Copy and Reassemble buttons in the mini toolbar. Modify the screw. And finally, delete the screw. The mini toolbar can help you to fulfill your design tasks more efficient, reduce clicks and save time during the design of Moldbase components. Thanks for watching.